Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how gradient reveal using vector mask. Start with a bold background layer and add a portrait or product photo above it. Select that image layer and add a vector mask. Use the pen tool to draw soft curved shapes. You will reveal just part of the image elegantly. Adjust path handles for a smooth gradient feel. Now apply a gradient overlay effect. Let's the color flow along the mask direction. Change the gradient type or linear or radial. Playing with blending modes for cinematic tones. It's create a soft reveal look like ad posters. Refine the mask for perfect curve transitions. Duplicate the layer